my god, it's skating off. Dude, I've never had that feeling in a car before where you're laying on the power and it's just like
this,
woo,
bro.
just going all over the place.
You gotta give so much input.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This thing picks up really well.
Once we get tires, bro, we can run the Gt350. That should be dope.
You can run the you can run the 350 right now how this is right now. I think if you lay onto it on a 40 roll, I think you'll take me.
You should try if you want.
Yeah, we could try it.
Let's do it then.
All right, let's do it. Supercharger screams on this, dude.
Yeah, there's a swap blower too. This one's way quieter than the stock one.
Is it?
Yeah, the stock one like whines so much, especially when it's ported. This is the Candyville 2.6.
Okay.
And if I just get a better intake, it'll whine way louder. I gotta get headers, so it'll make the supercharger louder then too.
Yeah, I'll make it a lot louder with all that stuff then. It seems like it's pretty controllable when you're in the power too.
Yeah.
Right?
Unless it's in second, then you gotta correct it.
In second, you gotta correct it a lot.
It really skates like.
Okay. But when it skates, it doesn't really step out too much, like completely out of control, right?
Not crazy.
Not crazy.
I've had it fishtailed one time pretty hard, but it's pretty controllable.
It's controllable.
As long as you don't just push the brake in, then that's where people f up.
Yeah, you can't touch the brakes. As soon as you touch the brakes, it's end game.
That's why all those Mustangs in the crowds, they smash the brake and just.
It's just the drivers, bro. They don't know how to drive the car. You know, they don't know what they got. God damn. I might have to pick up one of these, dude. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the few where at the price point it is, I'm like actually genuinely excited and I would like legit consider buying one because of how it feels.
The market's crazy for these right now.
Yeah, the market's hella crazy. I was looking too, because when you picked one up, I was looking at them and stuff to see how the market was. They look crazy.
I got this for a good deal because the guy who sold it to me was Punjabi too.
Oh really?
Yeah, he's like, I'll give it to you for 28, and it was 36,000 miles, Sonic Blue.
Dang.
It has so many mods, bro. Swap lower.
Dang, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That shifter's throwing me off too because it feels really far forward.
Yeah.
And the C706 is all the way back here. What the heck? That feels nice.
It's a clean pull.
That feels nice. Oh god. That feels really. Oh yeah, it's so nice, a supercharged car, how it feels with the power and everything like that. Try not to stall this thing, dude. It's like, this is the first, like, I guess you could say authentic manual car I've driven, because you know how the ones currently be, you know, it's like the electronics are all assisting and stuff like that. I have hill assist and everything, and it's honestly, the 350 is so easy to drive. It really is hard to like stall the thing, if I'm being honest. The only time I've stalled the 350 is I'm totally not even paying attention, listening to the car, you know? Pedals feel great, it's just the shifter. I'm so used to it being right here, you know?
Bro, back
boom,
then,
boom, boom,
like
you know?
03, all they thought about was the engine, and everything else they just threw in here.
Everything else they just threw in?
Shit, bro, they just threw a steering wheel on the dash and the shifter's there, they didn't care,
They're like, done deal.
That's it, done. The engine's nice, that's all we need.
Yeah.
One flaw of the car, you gotta, even have, I'm like 6'4", and I gotta sit hella close to the pedals and the steering wheel just to shift properly. I'm like hugging the steering wheel, you know?
And then there's me who's like 5'9". It's like, bruh, how do I reach this? Yeah, it's no traction. I like how instant the boost needle just flies up too. It's hooking up well in third gear.
Yes,
that's for sure. Yeah, but second gear, this car's like, hell no, bro. What are you trying to do to me? That sounds nice on those rev match downshifts too. that supercharger noise is really nice too.
It's pretty nice. It has some backfires.
Yeah, it sounds good. Oh yeah, I got it. Okay, so that's what you're talking about with the tune, is how it does that. Okay. Yeah, we can go back now. That's enough. Yeah, cool. That is crazy, dude. I appreciate it.
It's good.
I appreciate it. That was...
Drive it whenever you want to.
Hell yeah, I appreciate it, man. I just touched the windshield. It's hella close. Yeah. So that probably gives perspective, guys, of how far forward I am sitting, that I'm able to touch the windshield right now. So I'm able to touch the windshield, but I'm able to barely reach the top of the shifter.
Yeah, the second and third is like...
The second and third, it's like, ah! Alright guys, well that brings us to the end of today's YouTube video. Man, that Terminator is awesome, and honestly, I think out of all the cars I reviewed, that has to be amongst one of my favorite cars. It's just so special, it's so unique, and that thing feels so awesome to drive in. The one thing I really didn't like was like the transmission so far forward to shift, but if you get used to it, honestly, that car, I don't think you could go wrong with it. And with how strong the motors are, how that thing feels to drive in, those are really, really awesome cars. And I have a love for those cars now. And yeah, those things are awesome. I mean, maybe we'll add it to the collection. What do you guys think of that? The 350 is really special, so I don't think I would ever sell this car for another car. And I think I would only add a car to the garage, but the Terminator Cobra is an amazing car. And I think if you have this car and that car, I don't think the combo could get any better than that, honestly. So big shout out to my homie Deepu for letting me drive his car. I really appreciate it. That thing was so much fun. More content on his car coming soon. We'll link up for sure in the future if you guys want to see it on the channel. So let me know what you guys thought of it down below in the comment section. Go give him a follow on Instagram, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace.
You see a cargo, call the cops, boy. AK all day, body start to drop, boy.
Virginia beat down, Suddy the street down. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop.